At this point, you should have been able to find much of your brain's vasculature. Now, all the brains are different, so it might not have been possible to see everything, but usually you've got some residual blood in the vessels, staining them darker than the surrounding tissue. So you can see things like this midline basilar artery, right? And the sheep don't have an obvious incoming vertebral set of arteries, but you can still see where the main side branches are. So here are the superior cerebellar arteries, anterior inferior cerebellar, and posterior inferior cerebellar. So that would make this region the basilar. And I know that this is the superior cerebellar because the ocular motor nerve, if you still have yours intact, divides this superior cerebellar from the posterior cerebral artery. So the basilar artery splits here into right and left posterior cerebrals. And then this arrangement here are the communicating arteries. And if you can find your incoming internal carotid, on this brain, it's right here. Okay. And the bulk of the blood supply from that would continue on as the middle cerebral, going between the frontal lobe and the temporal lobe here. So this is middle cerebral. Just in front of your optic chiasm, you have your anterior cerebrals right under the forceps here. And a little communication between the right and left sides of that right here on the midline, if you can see that.